Here we have a list of texts and number. We have to copy and paste the text in this column and numbers in this column. So if we do it manually, you can see it is a hectic task and it will take lots of time if we go on doing it for a list quite bigger than this. So what we can do that, we can select the entire array of data, press Ctrl G, go to spatial. Here you will find a bullet of constant. Select the only the numbers. Just you okay, you see the numbers are selected. Ctrl C, go to here, Ctrl V. Do this for the text also. Ctrl G, go to spatial, go to constant and only select the text and Ctrl C and just paste it here.